What is going on, my party people? It's a Power Hunter Aloha Friday. And I'm back to you with another steal, and I'm letting y'all know different things that are out there. Like I said over here, I guess they're just trying to get rid of all of their inventory. Some of you may or not have these different shoes. But shout out to the people who checked out my video earlier this morning about the Born LA or LA Born Russell Westbrook. Some people say they can pull it off. I'm gonna have to sit there and take another look at it. I might can pull it off. It may be in the spring or summer, something like that. But PSA tomorrow, who has the heat? 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The bro Luke Kane versus Sneaker Lady 88. They're gonna be up in the building along with myself, PMKICKZ, MCFLYKOF, and the Sis 313 on the Who Has the Heat channel. And if you haven't subscribed to that channel, I don't know what to tell y'all. The description, I've been putting it in everything. So we just trying to get to 200 subscribers. It would be greatly appreciated if you just click that little red thing that says subscribe. Thank you. Now let's get into this review. I copped these joints from Waikiki. I try to support them because no tourists right now, and Waikiki is hurting. So as you can see, these are PG, or like my man Skip Baylor said, George Paul. But I don't know why people don't like these shoes. They're light, they're comfy. A lot of people like my Gatorade video. I think that one did about 5,000 views, which is pretty good. I don't do no intro, no outro. I just try to get straight cut to the chase of the video. You know what I mean? As you can see, this is a PP. Got these little critters running around my box. But this is a PP personal pair. Suggested retail price $110. You can see size 10.5, Fisher colorway, string cell, cool grade, natural, whatever that is. That is crazy right there. But these are called the Paul George PCG. All right, the colorway on these joints are teal. Then I know y'all got options out here. As you can see, you got the little stamper ramp right there, all of that good stuff. This is my first time actually seeing these shoes. They are light for all you ballers out there. They are light. If you want the snug, you can go true to side, which is a 10. But bam, I like to have that little extra room. You know what I mean? And I'm always into different colors, different things of that nature. So I wanted to try these joints out. Again, the Paul George Teal PCG. As you can see, these joints say full length Nike Air. Very, very comfy, good for balling, or if you're just working 8 hours, dope 8-hour shoe. Underneath the bottom, as you can see, full length Nike Air. He went Zoom, I guess this time he went back to Nike Air. As you can see, it got his PG in that little glass there. Some people don't like white, so they went with the cream bottom, but it probably be getting just as dirty. But we shall see on about that. And as you can see, Treese, right? PG-13, Playoff P. He got so many names. George Paul, Paul George. He's more like no way P doing the playoffs, right? So you got the swoosh. You see, you got the see-through materials right here. Very nice for breathability. You got the PG emblem right there. Then you got your zipper right here. You can zip it down so you ain't got to worry about all of that stuff, but you get the point, right? Then you have your tongue as it with the PG, so you got your little pull right to get it up in here. Let me see if I can pull this down. Maybe not. Hold on. All right, I'm back. Sorry for the technical difficulties. As you can see, the laces in there, not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. May have a little hits of 3M, I'm not sure, but you see, got like nice nylon materials, and you can see it in there. The swoosh right here, like so. You got some more air, like I said, it's very kind of almost like the Boost material, right? The foam. Then you can see on the bottom, on the back, on the ass, you got PCG, and you got a lot of little padding in here. Look, it's very, very sturdy for your ankles, because you need the ankle protection. And you got the hook right here, and you can see got the Roman numeral 4 for basically this the 4th iteration for the PG line. The PG line is a really lovely, hated. I think it first started at 110, then it went to 120, And now, oh, it's back to 110. Okay, I think last some of them was 120, like the PlayStation and stuff like that. So that's understandably so, right? Come around on this side, you got more of a netted type materials on this side. And as you can see, you got the area code, right? That's where he's from, Palmdale, right there. And you got PG, his number is 13. So other than that, I don't know much more what I can say about the shoe. Like I said, it's pretty light for those of us who like light shoes. And then you got some stuffing inside, right? You got some stuffing, not dressing, but stuffing. And you can do your QR code. Production date on these joints is 4/1/20, 5/20, 5/20. And you got the Nike and all of that stuff inside on this shoe. So with that being said, on a little lit meter, let me see. With the price, $64, I almost got it by half off. With the comfort, we give it about a 4.25 out of 5. You guys, what you think about that? 4.25 out of 5. You let me know. Leave a comment suggestion below. What do you think? Was your cup of tea? Would you be willing to try it at least once? Because like I said, it's a very interesting shoe. So I'm happy about this purchase. Anytime you can get a shoe about half off, always willing to try something at least once. So other than that, like I said, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you do, you don't, just leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I know a lot of people prefer to do it on feet. Hopefully one of these days I get to it. I got a couple on feet, so there ain't nothing to write home about. But other than that, thanks for all the love and support. See y'all for the battle tomorrow. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.